Performing a reset of the instrument. Make sure that you have a valid calibration standard to hand before performing this procedure, as your current calibration will be deleted and there is no way of undoing the reset once it has been completed. First, hold down both the downward and upward arrow buttons whilst turning the instrument on. Reset will appear on the display. Release all buttons. Next, No will appear on the display. To continue with the reset process, press the up arrow button to change the No to a Yes, and then press the S button. Reset will appear on the display again, and the instrument will restart. The reset is now complete. Because the reset deletes the calibration information from the instrument, the display will flash the set and cal message each time it's turned on. This warning will be removed when the instrument is correctly calibrated, as in the calibration adjustment procedure video. If after a reset you are still experiencing problems, then contact PPM Technology or your distributor to arrange a service.